How to find follow requests on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how you can get follow requests on TikTok or find follow requests on TikTok. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can find it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, launch your TikTok application and log in into your account. And in order to find your TikTok follow request, if somebody has sent you a follow request on your private account of your TikTok, you just need to head over to the inbox section of your profile. At the bottom, you can see home, friends, plus inbox and profile. Just go to inbox section, and when you go to inbox section, you can see this new followers notification appears on your screen. If somebody has followed you, just tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see this particular person has sent you a follow request. So in order to accept the follow request, you may just simply tap on accept, or you may just go to that person's account, and here you can see accept and delete. You may just accept it. After that, you may also follow back if you want to follow back that person. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to find your follow request very easily on TikTok like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.